Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So guys, without further delay, let's get started. Guys, today I'm here to share a skincare routine. If you have watched my previous haul video, I had promised you guys that I will be sharing a skincare routine using only raspberry and peppermint range of products from Good Vibes. So yes, as per the promise, I'm here to share the video. So guys, let's get started with the skincare for the weekend with raspberry and peppermint range. So first we are going to wash my face. I have just woken up guys and I've only brushed my teeth. I haven't washed my face as well because I had to share this video with you guys. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my face. So usually to wash my face, I don't apply water on my face. I just spray this rose water. This isn't good. It's goodness bottle, but actually this is a homemade rose water. So I'm going to use this, spray on my face and then lather my face for the face wash. If you haven't watched this homemade rose water video, it's always there in my channel. You can watch it. So yes guys. This is a homemade product, so it definitely has no side effects and it gives you a very good effect. Now I'm going to use the Good Vibes Raspberry and Peppermint face wash to lather my face. I have taken some product on my hand and I'm going to apply it on my face, forehead and lather it well for at least 30 seconds. It's a gel based face wash guys, so it's not going to cause a lot of lather on your face, but it is good to do the it is very good that it gives you a very cooling sensation. So it's really nice to have this face wash. So yes, I'm going to concentrate more on places where I have pigmentation, pimple marks and all that. So yes guys, I will lather it like this for almost 30 seconds. And once that is done, I'm going to wash off my face. I can feel the that cooling sensation from the peppermint. And let me tell you guys, usually these pediatric pharmaceutical products like the syrup has raspberry as a main content in it to add flavor to the syrup. So if you are someone who don't like the smell of those syrups, you may avoid buying this product because it has raspberry as a main content. The main ingredient, the basic smell is always of a syrup. So yes guys, as you can see, I'm done lathering enough of my face. I have lathered it for almost 30 seconds. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash off my face. So let me wash my face and get back to you guys. Yes guys, so I'm back. I have washed my face thoroughly and I still have the cooling sensation. Guys, the next product I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub my face. If you're all aware that I'm just a newbie in this YouTube world, so I would not prefer buying a face scrub in particular because I had just wanted to try it out before I purchased it. So yes, I got this as a free product from Good Vibes, and I'm going to use the same product with you guys in front of you guys for my for the scrub. I have used it once and I have liked it, and this is the second time I'm going to use it guys. So I'm going to take some product. It has got a very thick consistency, I must say, and I'm going to scrub my face with this scrub. So yes guys, it has got very fine scrubbing particles which would really help in this process of scrubbing. I'm concentrating more on this part because I have got whiteheads over here. So when I scrub it, it just goes off. And always guys, whenever you scrub, make sure you're not putting out a lot of pressure on your face. Do it with a very light hand so that the scrub would not completely spoil your skin. Yes guys, it feels like you're applying polo all over your face. You have just ground the polo and you're applying it on your face is what I feel like right now, because I can feel it cooling my skin and I have a feeling that my skin is getting calmed down. So yes, it's a very good thing on your face. Anyways, I'm going to show you the results. So I'm going to scrub this for another 20 seconds or 30 seconds. I'm not going to scrub it a lot as well because too much of scrubbing can damage your skin. And make sure you're scrubbing your skin max to max twice in a month. So that's the reason I haven't bought a scrub in particular, because the first time I purchased products from Good Vibes itself, I got the scrub free or complimentary. So yes, while I'm scrubbing, I have this feeling that my skin or the scrub has dried out. Just to add some moisture, I'm going to spray a little bit of rose water. I'm just lazy to go back again to get some water. So yes. Yes guys, it's really nice feeling. So now I'm going to wash this off and get back to you guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back here. I have cleaned my face after scrubbing and trust me guys, my skin feels so good now. It's so nice. I would love to use this scrub again. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my lip scrubbing. Face scrubbing done. If you guys have noticed, I haven't done my lip scrub. I'm going to use a product from Good Vibes. However, as they don't have the raspberry and peppermint range and lip scrub, I'm going to use their mango lip scrub. This is the product, and I guess this will cost somewhere around 125 rupees with a shelf life of 2 years. And yeah, I'm going to use it and let's see how it goes. And I love the packaging guys, it's so luxurious to see, it's so beautiful. I'm just loving it. So I'm going to use the lip scrub. I have used this before. It's quite dried. It's not like any other lip scrubs. The texture looks very dry, and yes, but the feel is very good guys. It's actually sweet guys, it's actually sweet. I just feel like taking it off my lips and eating it. It's sweet, the smell is amazing, and I feel that it will do its job. It's very fine particle, but it is feeling that I have applied a scrub on my lips. Yes, I'm done applying the scrub. I think it's good for the price, 125. Very little bit of the product was enough, and it did finish off my lips. At least you can use it for like 15 times. I'm using a tissue to wipe off my lips now. Yes guys, I'm done with the lip scrub. My lips feels very soft now. I just love the way my lips feels now. So now that I've done with the lip scrubbing, the next product is going to be the toner. Well, they don't have toner from raspberry and peppermint range as well. So here I'm going to use the Good Vibes Rose Hip toner. And yes, I am never happy with enough of toner. So here I am with the Rose Hip toner from Good Vibes. And it has got a very good spray bottle, very fine spray on your face. I apply as much as possible so that, you know, it gives a good glow on my face. As you can see the way it is, my face is glowing. Guys, don't mind this. This is a new breakout, new guest on my face. So yes, it will go off. Pimples are quite common on everyone. The problem is when you keep getting too many pimples and they don't just go off at all. But this one will go off, I'm sure. My pimples come and they just go. So yes, I'm going to wait until this gets absorbed. Until then, stay tuned guys. I will come back once this gets absorbed completely. Yes guys, so my toner hasn't dried off completely, but while I'm waiting for my toner to dry, I'm going to do one thing, which is I'm going to apply my lip balm, because I've just applied the lip scrub. So yeah, lip balm is going to soothe it down. But trust me guys, this scrub was so nice and I felt a little bit of taste on my mouth. It was sweet and it was so nice. With the smell, I just felt like eating it off. So for my lips, I have used the Himalaya Strawberry Shine Lip Balm, because of course no variant with raspberry and peppermint from any of the brands. So yeah, I am done with the lip balm. And now I can feel that even my toner has got absorbed completely. So I'm going to take my next product and you can see the glow on my face guys. It's amazing. Just see that glow. Isn't it amazing? I love it. Okay, so the next product is a serum. I don't have a serum from Good Vibes in the range raspberry and peppermint. So I have the serum, which is the NY Base Confident Glowing as a Broadway Queen face serum with vitamin C and vitamin B3. And this one is supposed to help fight breakout and hyperpigmentation, contains age-defying properties and gives you a youthful glow. So yes guys, I'm going to use this serum. So this is the serum I'm going to use now on my face, because breakout is what it's going to help. Pigmentation is what it's going to help. I'm going to take about 3 to 4 drops of it. Yes. I'm going to rub it on my hand and press it against my face like this. So yes guys, I'm done with the serum. I'm just going to dab it across my face so that it gets absorbed completely. I'm going to do the same thing on my neck as well. And I'm going to wait for it to get absorbed. Let me tell you guys one thing. Until I started skincare routine on my skin, I used to save a lot of time, but yes, skincare is essential and important. It's not something that you can just say not required, because if you want a good face, skincare is a must. Be it makeup, if it has to look good, you should have good skincare in beneath it. So yes guys, the serum is completely absorbed. It is a very good serum and you can see the way my face is glowing. Like seriously, it's so amazingly glowing everywhere. Here, everywhere, without what is it called, illuminator. So yes, the next without an highlighter, The next product I'm going to apply is the under eye cream. This is from the Aroma Magic. I have used the same under eye cream in my last night care skin routine. If you haven't watched, you can go ahead and watch it. So yes, I'm going to take a little bit of this product in my fingers, and I'm going to on my ring finger, and I'm going to massage it like this, so it gets absorbed well. Okay guys, you have to always apply your under eye cream on the ring finger. Initially I was like, why? But then because even the packaging told, take a little bit of the product in your ring finger and apply it. So I was curious to know why ring finger, because usually index finger is the one we use to apply whatever it is. But when I researched and I googled about this, what I found was that the ring finger has very little pressure that can be applied on your face. So that is the reason you should always use your ring finger, which was very true. And yes, I have been using my ring finger ever since. So this is something that gets absorbed immediately onto your skin, so that I can go ahead with the next product. The next product and the final product from the Good Vibes Raspberry and Peppermint range is the face cream. This is how the packaging looks. It has got a luxurious look. When it comes to their packaging, I just love it. And all their creams, one thing I like is their texture. Look at that, it's like butter. I just love it. And the property of all the Good Vibes cream is that they get absorbed like this immediately. So yes, I'm going to apply, dot it all over my face, making sure it's not too much as well. Yes guys, on my neck, if you have observed, I have applied almost everything on my neck as well. It has never been only on my face, because as you can see, neck is one of those parts that is seen. It's not only the face, except that you are always wearing a collared dress. So if the face and the neck doesn't match, it's not going to look good. So even the makeup, I suggest whatever makeup you have applied, compact foundation, everything has to be applied on the neck as well. So yes, here I am done with the face skincare for the day. Yes guys, so it's like within 2 seconds this product completely gets absorbed onto my skin. So yes, the last step remaining is my hand cream. So let's start. So the last product guys is the hand cream that I have from Good Vibes Raspberry and Peppermint range. So I'm going to apply the hand cream from Raspberry and Peppermint. While I finish this, let me tell you the benefits of, you are going to apply it like this guys, and then wipe both your hands in the backward and then rub it out throughout your hand like this. So yes, I'm done with the skincare. So before I finish off with this video, let me tell you guys what is the benefit of raspberry and peppermint, which I completely forgot. I'm so sorry. So yes, the benefits of raspberry and peppermint on your skin is that raspberry is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most trending products in the market today when it comes to skincare. So let me tell you guys, raspberry is one of those products that is good in vitamin C, which helps your skin to glow, just like you can see how my skin is glowing now. And it also helps in age-defying properties. It has good and depigmentation properties, or it helps your skin fight the pigmentation issues. And peppermint, just like I always tell you, it soothes your skin. It gives you anti-inflammatory it has anti-inflammatory properties, due to which if you have acne, it cools down your skin, it calms down your skin, and it makes your skin really feel good. So yes guys, that's my skincare for today. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment on this video. Please let me know how you like this video. And if you are new here and you have watched my video till now, Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I need your support, guys, because yes, within, if you all are aware, you have started a YouTube channel and it will continue only if I have 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel if you like this content. I will be uploading videos based on different things like I will be uploading videos usually on products that are more towards the economical side, or pharmacy products, what you call it. So you will be notified on all of these only if you subscribe to my channel and follow my channel. So yes guys, that's it for today. Hope you all stay safe, stay good. Bye bye, take care, love you all.